Welcome back again to the channel, viewers. What if I told you, the NASDAQ 100 is quietly undergoing a transformation that could permanently change how it behaves? And if that's true, then the ETF millions of investors rely on, QQQ, may be heading for a future most people are completely unprepared for. This isn't just another market cycle. This is structural change. And once you see it, you won't look at tech investing the same way again. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. What made the NASDAQ 100 so powerful? For years, the NASDAQ 100 has been the crown jewel of growth investing. Massive returns, dominance in innovation, and exposure to the biggest tech giants in the world. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon didn't just grow, they defined the index. But here's the key, the NASDAQ 100 wasn't just about tech. It was about concentration. A small number of companies drove a massive portion of returns. And for a long time, that worked. The problem nobody talks about today, the index is more concentrated than ever. A handful of mega-cap companies now dominate the weighting. That creates a dangerous illusion. It looks diversified, but it behaves like a leveraged bet on just a few names. If those companies rise, everything looks great. But if they stall, the entire index feels it. And here's where things start to change. Structural shifts in the market. We're entering a new era. Artificial intelligence is reshaping competition. Governments are increasing regulation. Interest rates are no longer near zero. Global competition is intensifying. These forces are changing how tech companies grow. In the past, growth was fueled by cheap capital and rapid expansion. Now, efficiency, margins, and sustainability matter more. That shift alone changes how the NASDAQ behaves. Why QQQ could be next? QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100. So whatever happens to the index, happens to QQQ. But ETFs introduce another layer, investor behavior. When markets rise, money floods in. When fear hits, money can leave just as quickly. That creates feedback loops. Selling pressure increases volatility, concentration amplifies declines, momentum reverses faster than expected. QQQ isn't just tracking the market anymore. It's part of what drives it. What this means for investors. This doesn't mean the NASDAQ 100 is doomed. Far from it. But it does mean, you can't assume the future will look like the past. The era of effortless tech dominance may be evolving into something more complex. Investors need to ask, am I overexposed to a few companies? Do I understand what's driving my returns? What happens if leadership changes? Because it will. Eventually. The big takeaway: the NASDAQ 100 isn't collapsing. It's transforming. And transformations create both risk and opportunity. Those who understand the shift early can adapt. Those who don't, they may be caught off guard when the rules change. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The opinions expressed are those of the creator and are subject to change without notice. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into markets, investing, and the forces shaping your financial future. Because in markets like these, understanding what's changing is everything.